Are you going to move around, Molly? Come over here. Come on. Yeah, come over here. Let's take these things out of your way. You come over here and get them. Come and get your ball. Come and get your ball. Come on. What's this? Can you come and get it? Boo, boo, boo. That's it. Why don't you crawl? Try and crawl over. Hey? Way. Oh, clever girl sitting up. Did you see that, Elsie? She was lying on her tummy and now she's sitting up. She's a clever girl.